Amakosi could not string 5 passes together. The interim coach Kevin Johnson admitted of his team's 2-0 final day DStv Premiership defeat to Cape Town Spurs that left Kaizer Chiefs with their worst placing in their history of 10th position for the 2023-2024 season. Goals by Ashley Cupido in the 37th minute and Michael Morton in the 74th brought already relegated last-placed Spurs their 6th win of their disastrous promotion campaign at Cape Town Stadium. Amakosi, who could not reach the top 8 for the 4th time in the Premiership era, they ended 9th in 2001-2002 and 2006-2007 and 2018-2019 and qualify for next season's MTN 8 also had a miserable campaign, one that ended in a suitably poor fashion with one of their worst performances against Spurs. Johnson said that we did not perform at the best. We lost the game and I thought we made too many mistakes. One was the inability to clear the ball, with the other one, your player is looking for a free kick. I don't know where he was going to get it from, but he leaves the ball and they score the goal. In saying that we couldn't make 5 passes, and when you are in that position, you have to find players who can change the game for you. We came out in the second half and put on a lot of not younger players but quicker players and tried to get it done, but not to be. So we have to finish the season off on a very low note and at the same time go out and try to fix what is really not working at the moment. So yeah, not a good game for Kaizer Chiefs. We were not capable of making more than 5 passes, and that kills the rhythm of the game. The Kaizer Chiefs interim, who replaced Motseki in October, was asked if a long injury list played its part in Amakosi appealing campaign. He said, I don't think so. When you play for Kaizer Chiefs, whether you've got 18 players or 35 players, they all should have the same quality and they all should know what this badge and this institution are all about. When you analyze it like that, yes, we did it. We did have a lot of injuries this season. Whether it affected our rhythm, only God can tell us that. It affected us in some moments, but I don't think it affected us to really do the best. Amakosi have indicated that they will appoint a new head coach in off-season with a number of names linked to job, including Mangoba Mngqiti, Alexandra Santos and Sid Rumovic. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.